Wearing a mismatch of vivid hues, the newest Trunner LX stands out right away thanks to its contrasting red and green midfoot straps that are embellished with Jordan embroidery and reflective dots. A combination of suede detailing, quilted materials, and breathable mesh make up the upper, while subtle accents of black, gray, white, and blue balance out the otherwise colorful overlays. Performance is enhanced by reflective components and the Jordan branding on the draw tabs, while the brand's attempts to use recycled materials are acknowledged by the thick midsole and speckled outsole. Jordan brand is working to add lifestyle appeal to performance roots by reimagining classic shapes through a contemporary perspective, and this new colorway is part of that effort. Even if flagship models are more well-known, the Trunner LX has a new story for a new generation thanks to this rare air edition. Jordan Trunner LX Rare Air pairs are anticipated to retail for $130 starting in the autumn of 2025.